Tweaking, bro.
What happened? What happened, man? What happened?
Spit on my face, man.
Just now? Take him down that way. Yeah, just far away from here. It was just the one I want.
5-1 right, baby.
You headed out, freak. You got your keys.
See your wrist? You could even see that he was cuffed correct. Because you can see the marks from the cuffs on his arm. How'd you get out of your cuffs? How'd you get out of your cuffs? You don't want to, how'd you get out of your cuffs?
Thought I was still on there.
You thought you were still in them? Are you double jointed? I'm just asking. It's not, I'm not going to put a case on you or nothing. I just want to know, man.
No, I just got home. Shit, I'm on swing. See my hand, little.
Because you got little hands? I'm just asking.
I think, yeah, look.
Mid FGO Lotto.
Well, they're on there good.
You go for Austin Lotto. Not UFTO. Hey, give me a 21 and 6526.
You can see.
6526 number.